In today's uncertain business climate, professional installers are still winning bids and capitalizing and making good. Today, I get to tell you one of their stories. Sean is an alarm systems installer and contacted Viking Electronics back in November of 2019 for help designing a class bell and clock system for a school. The goal was to reuse as much equipment as possible. Some of their equipment dated back to the 60s, but much of it was in very good condition. The only equipment he needed from Viking was a CTG-2A, CL-RFT, and then Viking's analog clocks. Sean won the bid, began his install in February, and ran into a major snag when he realized the school actually was using two separate paging zones, and the system we had designed was only set up for one. Thankfully, all we needed to do was add Viking model ZPI-4, and the original bill of materials plus that one part fit the new scenario. Today the equipment is up and running, the school is satisfied, and they even referred Sean to a second school using Viking's IP speakers and IP paging amplifier. Before I jump into Sean's second install, hit the like button on this video if you're getting inspiration out of Sean's story, and let us know in the comment section what you're doing in these times to close jobs, to get more business, to keep your business running and moving forward. Also, if you have a Viking Electronics success story you would like to share, there's an email in the description section down below. We'd love to hear your success story, and if we end up using it, we will send you some Viking swag and you will get a bunch of shine from Viking Electronics. Alright, back to Sean's second install, which involved Viking's talkback ceiling tile speakers, the 22 TB IP, as well as a paging amplifier, a PA-IP, which was then fed to an analog amplifier and broadcast through a playground using their existing 70-volt paging system. This is a solid IP paging system, and the talkback ceiling tile speakers Sean installed give the school the ability to place emergency phone calls from their paging system down the road if they decide to implement that option. The completion of that job led to Sean's third school of the year. Sean, we're super proud of you. Keep up the great work. If you would like to learn more about the equipment Sean used in his second install, check here for the videos for the 22 TB-IP and the PA-IP. If you're interested in learning more about school safety to land more bids helping out our local schools, check out Viking Electronics school safety video, which covers an emerging trend featuring government, schools, and panic alarms. Be sure to like the video if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you have not already. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. See you next time.